Hi everyone, my name is Ms. R and welcome to this quick overview to Premiere Pro. Today, I'm going to walk you through the basics of this powerful software. Whether you're completely new to video editing or just looking to brush up on your skills, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Adobe Premiere Pro stands as a beacon for both budding and seasoned videographers. This powerful software transforms raw footage into compelling narratives and stunning visuals. Whether you're crafting a short film, a documentary, or a personal project, Premiere Pro offers intuitive tools that make video editing accessible to everyone. User-friendly interface. Navigate through your projects with ease using a well-organized workspace. Versatile editing tools. Cut, splice, and enhance your videos with professional-grade tools. Seamless integration with Adobe Suite. Premiere Pro isn't just a standalone application. It's part of the larger Adobe ecosystem. This integration enhances your creative workflow, allowing for a smoother transition between different creative processes. Photoshop. Import and add complex images or graphics into your video projects. After Effects. Apply sophisticated visual effects and motion graphics without leaving the Premiere environment. Audition. Refine your audio tracks to professional standards directly within Premiere Pro. A learning curve worth climbing. While Premiere Pro is equipped with advanced features, it is designed to assist learners at every step. As you familiarize yourself with the interface, you'll discover tools and shortcuts that streamline the editing process, making your storytelling more efficient and effective. Comprehensive tutorials. Access a wide range of tutorials that guide you through basic to advanced techniques. Community support. Join forums and discussions to learn tips and tricks from other Premiere Pro users.